If you think about it, often in a large transformation, there is a pilot group, there's your champion group, right? And we're seeing it happen right now in AI, right? With organizations rolling that out. The large ones, right? The small ones are like, oh, you've got ChatGPT on your computer? Or even worse, oh, get ChatGPT. But the large organizations, whether it's AI or any other software, right? They've got the project team, and the project team uses it first, and then they've got their champions, their super users, right? They get it next, and that's that opportunity to build that in and to build in that momentum and learn from them, what you then use to roll out to everybody, right? And often it's not a project team, pilot team, everybody. It's project team, pilot team, this region, that department, right? You're learning at each one of these, and ideally moving with the organizations the components of the organization that have the most compelling reason to move in that order, right? And everybody's on board.